Hello everyone. Our GD topic for today is the the world does not need religion. So who is going to start?
So I'm going to start. As the topic says, world doesn't need any religion. Yeah, it's truly correct. Like there's nothing wrong with it. But yeah, there's nothing wrong actually. If but the current, the current situation where in this world right now we're living has many different religions. But I don't think it's a problem until there's comparison and division and something. So yeah, actually, no one needs any religion because all those prayer and faith goes to like one place. Actually, it's just beliefs. So, and if anyone else just believes in a different, different kind of like different God and anything else, I think it's all the same. So it's not a problem that if someone believes in different religion. But what I think is actually world doesn't need any religion.
Yeah, I also agree that world doesn't need any religion. Rather than having any particular region, we all are from same planet, and we must follow brotherhood and fraternity. Following a particular religion, somehow we have discriminated each other regarding that. You have seen the discrimination on the basis of religion, and because of this only somehow these riots and all take place. uh, mm, Religion harmony is somehow our country lacks in. So I feel having a particular religion only mm, promotes. Uh, oh, what should I? Sorry, I'm just not able to recognize that particular word. Following a particular religion will only uh, lead to dissatisfaction among the people, and there will be no peace and harmony in the country prevailing. And also, a very prompt example for this is the movie PK. Somehow you can relate this topic to that. The movie clearly signifies that religion doesn't have any importance. It's only the feeling we have regarding it, the faith we have in any particular religion. So I'll go with that. Country doesn't need any religion. Thank you.
So I also think that country does not need religion, but it should. But if it should be the one's personal choice, in my opinion, because nowadays we can see that the country that the people who belongs to different religion and somehow believes that their religion and their god are superior than the other, and this is causing riots and conflicts between the communities and people, and and somehow religion is responsible for the division in for the division among humans, and also there are some benefits and advantages of religion, or which we should not like we should not ignore, like the religion teaches us brotherhood, and teaches us ethics, morality, spirituality, which is also good in a sense. But there's one thing that on the name of religion one should not create conflicts among people, and it should not lead to the wars and bloodshed, because it is not good at all. But believing in religion or not, it should be one's personal choice. But the only thing I want to say, it should not create conflicts among people. They,
So I think we don't need religion to survive because we sometimes nowadays religion is used to brainwash people, and their people are brainwashed, and riots are there, and sometimes terrorists are created using the religious beliefs and ideals. Also, you said that religion teaches us morality, but it is different in different religions. So how religion can be used to teach morality and other things? It may be different in some other religions and different in other. So I think religion is not important, and we should not follow religion. Yeah, it is person's choice. It should be person's choice. Either he should follow religion, but in my opinion, we don't need a religion in the world, because it only divides people. We can spread humanity among people and make them aware of human values rather than relying on religion. So that's my point.
Sneha.
If I say, in my point of view, that world doesn't need religion. But if we say talk about God, it exists. And in my case, whenever I'm disturbed or I'm not feeling good, I always say, please God, take care of it, please. It exists. Everyone does. So I'm not in the support of religion. It's actually what or everyone says ki that's why world doesn't need religion nowadays, because just divide people. Nowadays problem units country, but the religion divides country. In our country, it's a very common case. During the pandemic, there was a case when in the starting of there was some dargah, and some Muslim were doing something. It was a very first that media created of it. They were dividing Hindu and Muslim, that yeah, they are doing this. So if we talk about this perspective, that so we can say that world doesn't need religion. But when we talks about our spiritual or peace of mind, in that case, we need God. Like it's a power. It's a inner power that it's provide us some strength. Ki please take care of God. Please, please, please. We always do it. So if I say, how kind of world need religion, and if on the other basis, world doesn't need religion. It's all our personal choice. So that's all. And if it talks about science doesn't believe in God. There are a lot of examples that shows as that world God doesn't exist. But there are
Who has seen
others
God?
too that
And there are some
yeah.
people who believes in whose faith are in God over than science and logic and technology.
Yeah.
So that is
Yeah,
wrong.
yeah, yeah.
Mostly Indian population is like this. They believe mostly in God rather than science. So we need to educate them that science is equally important.
Actually,
Nandini?
we believe in energies, when we say God help us,
Positive
it's actually we
vibe,
are
positive
praying
Vibes,
to,
positive
Divine
we are
vibes.
energy.
praying for positive
God.
energy. Yeah,
This
so
God word has the power.
Nandini? Okay. So this is the one thing that people should believe in science also. And but we should not ignore like that somehow we are related to our religion and all. It gives us hope, and it is providing us a strength and the uh, sense of everything is gonna right, and there's some kind of security. There's something in religion that we believe in. So but the only thing is one should not cause any conflicts and riots on the basis of religions, which is now a major problem in our country. So it should not be done.
actually different religion isn't a problem. Like it's totally, I mean, it's a good thing, but it's not a problem until people start comparing themselves and just putting others down and getting divided among each other. So
Yeah, superiority
it's not a
complex.
problem. Uh, Different
Now,
religion what religion teaches us that to respect other religion. It's not about to compare. Like, yeah, it's not a problem. We should live with harmony, you know.
Yeah, and also it helps in maintaining it also helps in building character and building the structure and socializing people. It does not teach us to to show someone lower than our religion, and it does not teach us that anything in the world is it does not like I want to say, one should not compare their god to others in the terms of like that my god is superior than yours, and my culture is only right and yours are not. So this is wrong.
Yeah. But nowadays, political parties are using religion to buy vote. Like they are using it, the long masjid and Ayodhya Ram Mandir. It was a very long case, and it was a very long case, and thousands of and crores of rupees were, and people were involved in creating a new temple. And so, if we use that knowledge in building our nation, so it can be helpful. And so it is religion is majorly exploited by the political parties to gain their votes. So in my opinion, we should make people aware that they should only cast vote to the who are good and who will serve them, not on the basis of religion.
Yeah, because India is the house of a several religion, and we cannot eliminate any kind of religionism from our country because there are large
This
number
will
of
again lead
religions.
to riots. This will
Yeah.
again lead to riots.
Yeah,
We can't eliminate religion.
we can't
We
we
go
can't
through the
we can't tell people we cannot tell people to be atheist, and we cannot tell people like to
That's their
stop
choice.
following their religion. Yeah, it should be personal choice.
You know, we have already seen in history at the time of our freedom struggle, which divide our great nation India into Pakistan, and the Bharat divided into two, India and Pakistan. That was a result of religion. Result. Are you guys
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. Actually, I was facing network issue. That is why I was not able to switch on my camera, and I was even not hearing all of you.
It's okay,
I'm so
Nandini.
sorry.
Please come with your opinion.
Yes, actually, what I think is that um, following a religion is not a bad thing, but proving themselves domain or like dominant, that their religion is dominant and others are subordinate, that is wrong. And because it creates a feeling of discrimination between two or more people, and then it turns and it evokes the communal riots also. So it's actually the problem that people are thinking that their religion are more dominant than others. Like we have seen in Ayodhya Ram Mandir in 1992, there was a uh, big riots in all over India. And in 2002 in Gujarat, Godhara, it was also the same situation because of Hindus and Muslims. And in 1983, for Sikhs, after the death of Indira Gandhi, it was a communal riot for Sikhs. So, so it is all the problem of thinking their religion dominant, not the following someone's religion. This is my opinion.
Sneha, you were saying something.
Yeah, I was saying there are a lot of examples that in our country too, that religion divides our people. Like JNU protest, the recent one, NACCRC process, and coronavirus pandemic. And coronavirus was the worst. So in my perspective, that world doesn't need religion, but they need a God world, which gives us positive energy about something. When we are losing our hope, we always remember God. So in my, if I say that world doesn't need religion, that's all.
Yeah. And also Nandini gives us example of when various droughts and all. So that is all because of, I think there are some people responsible for that. They are doing brainwashing of some people and agitating others. So that is all because of that. But yeah, religion is not a bad thing. And also it should be personal choice.
Yeah, the religious leaders are now using the religion to brainwash people and to make their servants and to misguide them to so that they can earn money and other powers and use the people by using the religion issues.
Yeah. And it should not be done because this is not right. How can you force
People
anyone?
should be educated about this.
Yeah,
They should be made aware that religion is not only one, it is only a part of life, not everything.
yeah. So anyone want to say something? So I think this was a short topic, and we have come to our conclusions and all, and we should stop recording here. Can I?